Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to lubricate the sprinklers. So it's pretty simple. You get one of these little bottles, you put the fluid we supply in there, okay? And it's got a little conical end tip, all right? And you get the sprinklers out of the arm. So basically, you turn them upside down. You inject a little bit of fluid in there, okay? And you just turn it around. Don't worry if more fluid gets in there. It doesn't really matter even. If it drips down, just let it go around, turn it a few times, and then just basically let it dry. You don't have to dry it in the sun, or you don't have to dry it on a hair blower or anything like that. Just let it dry naturally. Uh, you can use it straight away. Actually, it doesn't have to be dried. I mean, if you really want to put it in your case, it's fine being wet as well. It will stay for at least a month or a couple of months or so. Cheers.